Have you ever wondered why some electronic products become incredibly expensive before a single prototype is built? It usually isn't because the engineering was difficult. It's because the wrong technology was chosen. Here's what many founders don't realize. The first technical solution is rarely the best one, especially for complex electronic products. There may be 5 different ways, or 50, to solve the same problem. The challenge isn't building it. The challenge is choosing the right path. Before investing tens of thousands of dollars in development, this is where many teams make a costly mistake. They start designing before they fully understand what's possible. Instead, we start with research. Can an off-the-shelf module do the job? Is there a proven chipset already available? Would a development kit accelerate the project? Should you use an existing sensor or develop something custom? Is there already a certified wireless solution? Can existing firmware be leveraged? Is there an embedded computer that's a better fit than designing custom electronics? Would a single board computer, a system on module, or a microcontroller be the smartest choice? Can AI, machine vision, edge computing, or cloud services simplify the solution? Can existing APs eliminate months of software development? Can proven third-party hardware reduce technical risk? These are the questions that shape the entire project. Here's another surprise. The best technical solution isn't always the most advanced. Sometimes it's the simplest. Sometimes it's the fastest. Sometimes it's the lowest risk. Sometimes it's the easiest to manufacture. And sometimes it already exists. At Rabbit Product Design, our senior technology team researches the entire landscape before major engineering begins. Available hardware, commercial modules, reference designs, development platforms, chipsets, sensors, communication technologies, power solutions, embedded operating systems, software frameworks, regulatory requirements, supply chain availability, and emerging technologies. Because every decision affects everything that follows: development time, cost, reliability, manufacturability, future upgrades, and long-term success. We've worked with founders who assumed they needed completely custom electronics. After researching the available technologies, we discovered proven modules that dramatically reduced development time, lowered technical risk, simplified compliance testing, and reduced overall project cost. The product still achieved the same goal. It simply took a much smarter path to get there. That's the value of technology research. It helps you avoid building something custom when you don't have to, and helps you build something custom when you should. At Rabbit Product Design, our 100% senior engineers have decades of experience evaluating technologies across consumer, medical, industrial, commercial, and connected IoT products. We know what's available today, what's proven, what's emerging, and what's worth avoiding. Because great engineering doesn't start with CAD. It starts with making the right technical decisions. If you're developing a complex electronic product, don't guess your way through the technology. Research it first. Schedule a free strategy session. Click the link in the description below to learn more. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and ring the bell.